Let's get into your boxer stance. Let's do a 1-2 combination. 1-2. Left, right. Good. 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 Stay there. Two more. One more. Okay. Let's do what I call a duck 5. I'm going to throw a left hook at her. She's going to duck. She's going to avoid the punch. And she's going to counter with 5 punches. All right? Here we go. Duck. Straight, go straight, go straight. Duck. Good. 2 more. Something went wrong there. Straight, go straight, go straight.
Your left
That's
first.
good. Can you see her? Okay, now we're going to do a jab and 4 uppercuts.
Okay.
Jab. Good. Okay, now we're going to do a slip. So, a slip is an evasive maneuver, trying to avoid getting hit. All right? Slip. Uppercut. Hook. Straight hook. Slip. Uppercut. Hook. Good.
Hold on.